Hi, I'm Megan, and today I'll walk you through how to use a breast pump in a calm, practical way. Before you begin, wash your hands and get comfortable. Jessica says she prefers a quiet room and a supportive chair. Assemble your breast pump and make sure every part is clean and dry. Natalie always checks her flange size because a proper fit makes pumping easier. Place the flange over your breast, centering your nipple gently. Turn the pump on at the lowest setting. Rachel recommends starting slow, then increasing suction gradually until it feels strong but comfortable. Pump for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the milk flow slows. You may switch sides if needed. Lauren likes to gently massage her breasts during pumping to encourage milk flow. When you're done, switch the pump off before removing it. Pour the milk into clean storage bottles and label them clearly. Amy suggests storing milk straight away to keep it fresh. Finally, wash all pump parts with warm soapy water and let them air dry. With consistency and patience, pumping becomes a simple, confident part of everyday life. Many moms find routines help balance feeding, rest, work, and family life daily.